search the galaxy for ancient relics and the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find we bring here. So, where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history, and preserving our past may well ensure a future. How many of you have heard the legend of Luke Skywalker? Excellent, all the way around, wonderful. We have to. And now here there is another, a new Jedi, one who started off as a scrapper like us. Do any of you know her name? Rey, yes. What Rey is leading right now, it is the spark of hope that we have been waiting for. And that is why you are here, to look ahead and build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is a work of art. The saber is a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But not if I keep talking. Let's begin. We start with the most important part of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some have called the Kyber crystal the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. You may recognize some of these from the great Jedi heroes of history. The blue crystal, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the crystal wielded by Mace Windu. Red. It has been called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. Yes. Excellent. Now take the Kyber crystals and place them on the green crystal holders that are in front of you. Because now it's time to join your crystal to the lightsaber design that you've selected. It's time to build the hilt of your lightsaber. This is the foundation of the blade. Yes, it is your center of control. And it's the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. In the box in front of you, you'll find all of the parts you selected outside. These parts come from the process to be here in this moment right now. And we will lead you through the process of building in a minute, but first, here's what's in the box. From the left, you have your chapter.
Alright, now we're going to go to numbers 1 and 2 box. You're going to choose your grips. Now you want to choose 2 out of any of those 4. You want to go on the bottom.
There.
Look for the bigger man's grips. That bigger man is going to go inward.
That spark is great. That means that you're doing it right. Okay, you're going to choose 2 grips. See columns 1 and 2, you have 4 grips.
If it has a little bit of a gap, what kind of small for a second? Do you double check those colors? I know sometimes. You got it, right? Like, see that step? Let's try it.
Now you're ready for your base. other objects and things that must be meditated on. And they
Yeah,
review
you have it right.
those.
Keep going to the right.
It could be
Make
like
sure it's
that.
nice and tight. Perfect. And then
Beautiful.
choose from
I love the
number
emitter.
two. That's gonna go on that open end.
It goes
Number
back to
4 is
the
just gonna go on the bottom.
It has a design on it that clip is collected from the proto sabers.
Beautiful.
They used to mount the fiber crystal.
All right. No one's finger tells you to activate.
You can bring it up. Beautiful. Excellent. Good spark there. We're cruising along right over here.
Go ahead. Other side.
The other side. There you are. Beautiful. I like what a variety of sabers we have here. Excellent. But they all somehow go together. I like the elemental build with the spiral symbols. In many cultures, those spirals, they represent journeys. From the outside of the spiral to the center and from the center out. So it's finding your way into trouble, finding your way out of trouble. But most importantly is you find yourself along those
Yeah,
paths.
once can we close it activate? Just like on the table. Now we're to the activation. All
Everyone, you have built the hilt of your lightsaber. And now here comes the dangerous part. With your sabers at your stations, back up as far as you can from me, my friends. The gatherers are going to insert your hilts in the crystal stabilization chambers. They have to stabilize the crystal inside the saber for activation. This is very dangerous. If something is misaligned, we could have a large expansion of energy in a very short amount of time. Also known as an explosion. So before we do anything else, I'm going to send a test signal through the chamber. What's happening?
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
It's Master Yoda. It is indeed time to take that next step. Builders, we have reached the final part of the process. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be formed. In a moment, I will ask each of you to step forward, to place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and then on my signal, using your activation switch. All together, we will activate. Step forward. Hand on your lightsaber. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power, and remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground. So, in a moment we will release you one party at a time to receive your saber sheaths before you continue. Now our time together is at an end, but your journey is only beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are each as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Builders, raise your sabers. Activate. There you are. Now you, my friends, go forward. Receive your saber sheaths.